I am Ava, brand ambassador of Dr. Abdul PH LLC USA. From the world-famous Khewra mines, something iconic is coming to America. Natural, handcrafted. Stay tuned, the future of Pink Himalayan Salt here. I am Ava from Dr. Abdul PHS LLC USA. This is a historic step for Dr. Abdul PHS LLC USA and Pakistan Mineral Development Corporation. Our directors, Mr. Naeem Khalid and Mr. Majar Hussain, are visiting Khewra Salt Mines with PMDC officials to discuss the installation of the Monumental Shield at Khewra Mines. This shield will represent international collaboration, global branding, and worldwide promotion of Pakistan's precious Pink Himalayan salt.
यहीं पे आकर रुकना है, यहाँ पे उतरना है, यहाँ पे आकर जहाँ पे हमारी शील्ड लगती है वो सबसे ज़्यादा प्रोमिनेंट होगा।
डॉक्टर साहब, आप अपना आदमी पेश करें।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर यही अभी थोड़ा सा मशवरा हुआ है आपस में, और भी डिस्कस कर लेंगे। आप भी अपने साथियों से लाजमी मशवरा कर लीजिए कि इस चीज़ हमारा फाउंडेशन ऑलरेडी बना हुआ है सारा का सारा। इस फाउंडेशन के किसी भी एरिया को यहाँ शुरुआत से लेकर या फिर मिडिल में लेकर और इसके फ्रंट
Hello everyone, welcome back. Our meeting with the MD and CEO Engineer Asad Ahmed of Pakistan Mineral Development Corporation and senior PMDC officials was very successful and productive. We are extremely thankful to PMDC for their warm hospitality, valuable guidance, and strong commitment toward promoting Pink Himalayan Salt internationally. Dr. Abdul PHS LLC USA is proud to work toward building a stronger connection between Pakistan's natural treasures and the global market. We once again invite serious investors from Pakistan and worldwide to join us in this growing international business. Pink Himalayan salt is a high-demand and high-profit industry with a bright future ahead. Together with PMDC, we are confident that we can take the precious Pink Himalayan salt of Khewra mines to new international heights.
साहब एंजॉय कर रहे हैं जी कायदाबाद। मैं तो काफ़ी अरसे से आपसे रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा था कि
क्योंकि वहाँ बैठ के आपकी तवज्जो से मिले हैं, सारा क्रेडिट तो आपको जाता है ना साहब।
राउत साहब के नाम से आपको ए से जी तक तमाम चीज़ें अवेलेबल हैं।
जी बिल्कुल,
पैकिंग चाहिए वो मिल जाएगी, स्टाइल चाहिए वो मिल जाएगा,
हर चीज़ अवेलेबल है। और ये
एक्सपोर्ट
सारी
का
चीज़ें
मामला है वो
हमने
100
अपनी
कर
आंखों
सकते
से
हैं।
भी देखी।
हाँ जी,
उनकी जो फैक्ट्री
उनका
है
सेटअप है शेखुपुरा में,
शेखुपुरा में, वो हम देख के आए हैं। यहाँ का
लिक सॉल्ट है या
बहुत बड़ी
टेबल लैंप्स
देख रहे
वगैरह
हैं, काम हो रहा है।
तो जितनी प्रोडक्ट से उनकी पैकिंग वही प्रॉपर जो हम वहाँ पे प्रेजेंट करना चाह रहे हैं हमारी वेबसाइट पर मौजूद है
एज इट मौजूद है।
तो हमें इसमें कोई दुश्वारी नहीं होगी।
जो क्वालिटी हमें चाहिए,
स्टार्ट
जो क्वालिटी यहाँ हमें पास में मिल सकती है।
ठीक ओके सर।
With deep sadness, we remember Mr. Malik Nadeem, Director Sales and Marketing Pakistan of Dr. Abdul PHS LLC USA, who sadly passed away due to a heart attack. He gave sincere hard work, sacrifices and dedication for the company. Mr. Malik Nadeem's services and contributions will always be remembered forever. May Allah grant him highest place in Jannah. Mr. M.H.R. Hussain, Director of Operations and Export Management at Dr. Abdul PHS LC USA, is playing an important role in export coordination, supply management, and operational planning for our international business expansion. Mr. Rafiq Ahmed Buller, the lead director of Dr. Abdul PHS LLC USA, has also devoted efforts and support for the company during important stages of development. His contributions and commitment toward the company are appreciated and respected. Hi friends, I am Ava from Dr. Abdul PHS LLC USA, and today I would like to give special appreciation to Mr. Neem Khalid, Director of International Business Communications and Worldwide Promotion at Abdul PHS LLC USA. His dedication, professionalism, sincerity, and tireless hard work for the company are truly admirable and deeply appreciated. On behalf of Dr. Abdul PHS LLC USA, I proudly thank Mr. Naeem Khalid for his loyalty, commitment, and outstanding services for the growth and global image of the company.
Pakistan's Himalayan pink salt is more than a mineral, it's a national opportunity. From the legendary salt range to modern value addition, we can shift from raw extraction to premium global products. Dr. Abdul PHS is building a model built on standards, traceability, and international demand, especially in the USA. And beyond retail, the same resource powers premium wellness experiences like salt therapy centers, positioned as a global brand. This is how Pakistan grows. Jobs, manufacturing, exports, and brand Pakistan from one extraordinary natural asset.
Hello everyone, this is Ava from Dr. Abdul PHS LLC USA. Today, I'm taking you deep inside the world-famous Khewra Salt Mines of Pakistan, a place filled with history, beauty, mystery, and nature's hidden treasures.